Blur muka gue kayak ah,
Si kocak.
Buka, jangan lupa buka ininya masing-masing. Yang di jadi share screen-nya di sini. Kalau orang buka masing-masing di itu di laptop. Paham nggak? Kan yang ke record dari gua.
ini sih blur blur ini nih.
Sabar.
Enak dibagi dulu setelah itu.
Udah.
Apa?
Gak tahu dia ngambil dikit ya ngelunjak.
Enggak.
Bagian mana?
Ada punya lu bagian keberapa tuh? Lihat aja, lihat. Rehan itu slide 6 setuju sama 8 pendek kok.
Nggak slide berapa?
Lu slide paling akhir sama kesimpulan.
Paling akhir kan kesimpulan
6, 6 sama 7.
Rehan 6, 7 sama 8. Ada
slide
kok,
paling
ada nama lu Kohan di situ.
ya slide paling akhir.
Lu. Oi, kamu abis aku. Ada namanya tuh. 4 sama 5. Buka Word, Word yang aku kirim.
Nah, benar gue.
Woi, kelihatannya apa di jalan orang? Ada.
Bahasa Indonesia.
Enggak kelihatan ini enggak? PPT enggak?
Emang mesti Indonesia?
Inggris.
Ah, ini Indo.
Ke bawah lagi dong, ada Inggrisnya. Yang bahasa Inggris. Ke bawah lagi. Ih, lu tuh ngambil apa enggak sih? Yang gue kirim, lu
Gitu.
ini bikin emosi. Bil yang aku kirim ya, yang Inggris.
Nggak bisa dibuka.
Kok nggak
Ini
bisa?
lihat punya Tuhan kan tapi ini.
Kok nggak bisa? Kenapa? Bil share screen-nya kelihatan PPT aja kan?
Ini ngapain ini?
Udah belum sih? Udah ya, buat buka ya.
Jangan dulu, jangan dulu.
Wis.
Odol gue.
Ibu dua mata buruan lu.
Jujur, jujur.
Udah.
Odol.
Asal.
Betul dulu bentar.
Udah sih, tahan dulu.
Ya, kok lu sunahan anjir. Prediction.
Eh.
Daripada ini kan. Ayo.
Udah nggak usah di down, nggak usah di down, nggak usah di down.
Ya, ada gini aja nih.
Udah buruan sana.
Sabar. Dan,
Ih, gak jadi Bil, dia mau modal katanya.
Jadi nggak?
Iya maksudnya, belum kan lu mau berak-berak
Iya.
kan? Udah nggak usah lama-lama, nggak usah di logout ah.
Merek ngajak ngajak anjir.
Cepet loh, nggak usah lama, nggak lama buruan.
Ini 7 sama 8 memang nyatu.
Ada deh. Ada deh yang mulai. Alhamdulillah. Ini udah recording kan?
Mending di skip dulu deh.
Apa?
Kalau di recording sekarang ngeditnya lama, males.
Udah sih,
Aku
restu.
buang-buang. Wih, gila penyimpanan gue lah penuh.
Enggak. 1, 2, 3. On cam ge. Rehan mana Rehan? Oke.
Gila ini dia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are gonna presentation about a project in progress 75%. Okay, first of all is decision tree parameters and data. Dataset used a total of 120 berapa sih ini? A total of 1,270 beach data records were used. The dataset was split into 80% training data, 973 records, and 20 testing data. 245 records. The stratify Y parameter ensures that proportion of each class remains balanced in both datasets. 2 is decision tree parameters. Criterion Gini measures the impurity of each node. Gini impurity indicates how mixed the classes are within a node. 2 is max depth. 5 limits the tree of 5 levels to prevent overfitting. 3 is mean sample split is 5. A node can only split if it contains at least 5 samples. And mean sample sleeve is 2. Each leaf node must contain at least 2 samples. Random state is 42 ensures reproducible result every time the model is run. 3 is training result. The tree reaches a maximum depth of 5, contained 19 nodes and used only 3 features to make decisions. Next is decision tree evaluations. Accuracy of 100 means that all 245 testing records were classified correctly without any errors. Explanation of metrics. One is precision. Of all beaches predicted as good, how many were actually good? Recall. Of all beaches that were truly good, how many were successfully identified? F1 score, the harmonic average of precision and recall, representing the balance between both metrics. 3 all classes is normal, fairly good, good, and very good. Achieved a perfect score of 1 for all evaluation metrics. Additional notes, this perfect score should still be analyzed critically because the numerical rating feature is highly dominant and strongly correlated with the class levels. Next material will be explained with Nabilatul Salamah.
Decision tree confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is a table that shows how many prediction correct for each class. The main diagonal represent correct prediction, while value outside the diagonal indicate prediction error. 46 normal, correctly
Udah
predicate.
record?
50-50, fairly good, correctly predicate.
Ya tuh, lu ngebuka
120 good, correctly predicate. 17 very good, correctly predicate. All predication are located on the diagonal, meaning there were no classification error. The numerical rating feature is extremely dominant, allowing the class to be separated fairly clearly without any mistakes. Next. We can clearly see the logic behind the model using easy to understand if then rules. If rating lebih besar dari 3.95 itu normal. If jika 3.95 lebih besar dari rating, lebih besar dari sama dengan 4,25
Lanjut
itu
aja, lo orang
valid.
buka PPT sendiri kan yang record gua,
25
yang ketampil di gua.
besar dari
Iya,
lebih besar sama dengan 4,75
lo
itu
orang buat lihat aja sendiri.
rating. Lebih besar dari 4,75 itu very good. Profits also appears as a secondary branch for rating between 3,95 sampai 4,25, but it does not significantly change the prediction results. This is what makes decision tree highly interpretable. The rules are transparent and easy to understand even for non-technical users. Next.
Next.
Random forest parameter. What is random forest? Random forest is enable 100 decision and three working together. The tree is trained not using different subset of data, bootstrap, sampling, and random subset of filters to prediction process. If we give a default for a class, the class receiving the highest number of votes becomes the final prediction result. Simple analogy is asking 100 experts for their
1
option
1.0.
choosing the answer
1.0.
by the measuring is available than asking only the expert. Three additional parameter and estimator 100 number of thread created and job mean one user all CPU cores to speed computation. Next.
Okay, next. Masih
Explain to the audience that the numerical rating contribution
udah Indo aja kan. 87,6.
87.56% to the model's decision making process. This means the bit rating entry that determines the final category. Province the ticket price only contribution at porting filter with relative smile influence.
Next, Restu.
Oh itu ya, siap. Ya kak. Stop dulu recordnya.
Makanya, ya nggak bisa dong tuh kalau di stop dia stop semua. Nggak bisa di pause, kocak.
Tuh males ngedit. Yuk.
Panas lagi ya.
Geser aja lah.
Sini aja di sini aja. Kak bisa Kak. Sini Han.
Geser aja.
Udah nggak apa-apa di sini aja. Bentar lagi kok.
Jalan-jalan.
Enggak. Gue mau sebentar ya.
Geser aja.
Udah mau mati anjing zoomnya bukan kocak.
Si Cok.
Udah mau mati
Jatuh. Aturan gimana anjir? Ya udah tinggal di record ulang aja.
Urun udah mau mati.
Berapa lama?
Iya.
Lanjut gitu hidup.
Gampang bisa di skip bro.
Model comparison.
Model comparison. But model achieves essential performance. the difference in accuracy, precision, recall. F1 score mid-1, decision 3, and random forest are 0.00%. Their confusion material also exactly the same. Two, why are the result in critical? Because the numeric rating feature is extremely dominant. 87.56%. Even a single decision tree is also really sufficiency to support the ones especially to so reading 99 or the tree does not change the final result. Three key difference. One decision tree is easier to interpret because if the rules are clear, visible. Two, random forest is more again noise and new data making it more for deployment. Three, decision tree train faster than random forest recruitment or conventional resource. Conclusion and recommendation. One, algorithm successfully achieve 100% accuracy. One data set 1,217 donation with record using the 220 ratio data split. Two, random forest is recommended for production environment because it is more stable and robust when handling information in new data, even though its performance in the experience is equal to decision tree. Three, numeric rating is the key feature. Contribution 87.56% to prediction process, making it the most important factor is the BH recommendation system. Closing statement in closing, but model are effective for which classification in the dataset of random forest is more recommended for real world information because of its robustness against varied and change data pattern.
Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Awalnya coba-coba